Hey guys, today is the completion of that electric furnace to heat pump job that I got a pretty long video for you yesterday. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm beat. I just got back home. I'm dirty. I was go turbo mode, so I didn't get a ton of footage today, but I think I got some key points, and I was able to get you a video of the finished product. So hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, we're back. I'm not going to have a ton of footage today, but I'm going to get this line set started first. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Alright guys, I got my hole drilled there. Show you what it looks like outside. Sweet. Alright guys, I haven't got much for you today. I've been trying to beat this weather we're getting today. Oh, the Ides of March, huh? So I got my line set kind of roughed in there. Still got to get my 3/8 in. I got the nitro hooked up outside. The filter dryer I got to go grab out of the heat pump, so because I want to put the filter dryer on the inside, but looks pretty good. Show you guys this over here. Looks pretty solid. Obviously I'll clamp all that. I still have thermostat wire and vinyl tubing to attach to that, but moving along in spite of the weather. Alright guys, lots of distractions today, people in and out. The weather sucked, but I mean shoot, it already melted off. Now it's about 40 degrees, so we're good. Got my pump going, got her piped in. Go ahead and pull that. I'm gonna get my start pulling my vinyl tubing and my thermostat wire along my line. Got the electrician inside working on his sub panel that was needed. Oh, money pit?
Oh yeah, I wanted to be an electrician after I saw that.
Did you get a comb and start slicking your hair back?
Yeah, exactly. Oh, he never works on the job. He's the executive plumber.
So your dad has white guilt.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to him.
What the heck?
I don't know, dude. I don't know what to tell you. I don't have it. Nobody ever said shit to me. They always said faster or cheaper. That's one only I got.
Every time I go into a crawl space and I'm working my ass off, I don't think I have white privilege, let me tell you.
Exactly. Because I would like to have some of this. If we're going to do this, I would really like to have some of it. I haven't had any of it.
Oh, but if you say that, they'll just tell you that you have so much that you just don't understand it.
Yeah, that's how that works.
Actually, I need to get my tube before I go continue with this. Hold on.
Look at that shit.
Yeah.
That takes care of that problem pretty quickly for me. About every time.
I don't feel guilty for any dollar that I have.
Yeah, dude. Did somebody swing by and just drop something off because you were a swell guy? No. That's not how that shit works. Unless you're out in the forest doing drugs, and then they do that for you.
Right.
Dude, that's what they do out in Sisters.
Yeah.
Take them to appointments, drop food off for them, everything.
All they did in Bend was move them to the other side of the highway. No.
I just asking. Oh yeah, next to the fucking airport.
Yeah. Well, no, they're out by they're not by the airport. They're just on the other side of the highway, right there in Northeast Bend. This might be too tight for my tubing. No. Do a separate hole for my tubing because I did not want that kinked at the end. Oh. Alright guys, today was go, 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 so I didn't get any real footage other than that little bit of stuff this morning. But take a look at my handiwork here. The electrician uses duct seal there. I use my nice white Volcom. See how there's my condensate drain there coming out. Locking caps per code out here. Unit's all leveled up. You can see the disconnect is off the unit. I'll show you guys what the inside looks like. It's kind of dark in here, but I think it translates. I'll turn my light off. You don't need it. So there's my finished product. It's got the Honeywell 4-inch filter in there, 5-inch I guess is what they call them. I'm all wrapped. My drain's got plenty of fault, doesn't look like it on the picture. I accidentally knocked the wrong knockout, so I just taped some metal on that. And then one thing the inspectors require is that you note which kW of heat strips in here, which is 10 kW. Everything's all wrapped all nice and neat. Got my packet holder here with all the manuals for all the equipment, thermostat, etc. Let's come over here. Might need to turn the light on here. There we go. There's my condensate pump right there. Tubing comes up all nice and clean, and then comes up with my line set and over. It all looks pretty good, I think. I like to keep sweeps where I can. I could have put a 90 there, but it's fine. Filter dryer on the inside, of course. There's my interface module. I always try to use those wire ties with the screw heads in them. Make sure everything's all nice and clean. You know, nobody can get, he's probably going to stack stuff here, so I want to make sure that he can't get anything caught. There's my easy trap. So I did wire in the secondary safety switch, which is very important on these pumps. There's our sub panel electrician put in for the equipment. It was a 90 amp on the old, so we have our 60 for the furnace, 40 for the AC, and then he added me a plug right there for my condensate pump. So anyway, yeah, I think it turned out pretty nice. Tell me what you guys think. Kind of a busy job. If you'd looked yesterday and saw what it looked like before, it looks pretty nice now. And then the homeowner wants to remove this wall and make this a garage again at some point. So I got one clamp there and then 2 clamps on electrical. He can just pull those when he decides to move this wall, and he'll be fine. So yeah, he's all done. 2 days. Electric furnace to heat pump change out. Show you guys my sticker again. Want the best HVAC services in Central Oregon? Give me a call. Happy to help you. That's a wrap.